telephone and internet. Without further ado, we begin this evening with lot 201. The 1962 Alfa Romeo Giulietta Spider, a sprightly little Italian roadster with a potent dual cam, Weber carbureted motor, and delightful 4-speed transmission. Certainly the most exciting entry point for Italian motoring. Lot 201 is the 1962 Giulietta.
Thank you very much, Alan, and welcome from me as well. Ladies and gentlemen, little Alfa Romeo Giulietta. I'm going to start the bidding here. What should we say? Why don't we open it at $20,000? $20,000 now. Opening bid of $20,000. No reserve. Here to be sold at $20,000. Thank you, Joey, at $20,000. A little bit cheaper than the last one last night, wasn't it? 20,000. Thank you. 20,000. $25,000 now. Do I have 25 anywhere in the room now? That's $20,000. And in fact, well, there's no reserve, and it's here to be sold. So I am going to sell for the very first bid if there is 25,000. Thank you. 25,000. I know it was almost yours, wasn't it? 25,000. Do I have 30,000? Thank you. $30,000 I have on my left at $30,000. Do I have 35 now for you, sir? I'm selling on my left. It's out. You're out here on my right. At $30,000, no? Well, thank you very much anyway. Well, at $30,000, then it's here on my left and selling all the way at just $30,000. $32,500, thank you. $32,500, $35,000, thank you. At $35,000, it's on the aisle again at $35,000. Do I have $37,500? I've got him on the aisle at $35,000 and selling all the way. It's going for the first time at $35,000. Then if we're all done, all finished. $37,500. I'm at thousands now. $37,500 if you like. $37,500. Thank you. $37,500. $40,000. Thank you. At $40,000. Back in with me at $40,000. Do I have $42,500? At $40,000. Then do I have any advance? At $40,000 and selling all the way. And a little Alfa. $42,500. Thank you. $42,500 on my right here. Still selling all the way at $42,500 now. It's going for the first time then. I'm going to count it down, ladies and gentlemen. At 40, thank you, $45,000 on my right at $47,500 if you like. At $45,000, you bidder seated here. Thank you, $47,500. $50,000 if you like. We're at $47,500, $50,000 on my left at $50,000. $52,500 for either of you if you like, at $50,000. It's on my left and I'm selling the car all the way. It's going then at $50,000 only. It's going for the second time on my left, the third and the last time. If there's no better bid at just $50,000, are we all done? All finished at $50,000. Sold $50,000, thank you. Give a number, Joey. Nope. 7, 3, 5, 6, $50,000.